How to set up ACH payments and the Bank of America. First things first, choose whether you'll be using the online method or from the mobile app itself. So make sure that you logged into your account before doing this process. Now, once you logged in, all you have to do is choose whether transfers or payments between those two. And then the next thing you do is choose Setup ACH Payments and enter the required details like the bank information of the recipient. Now, next thing to do is just double check all the information to avoid errors in the future. Now, the last thing that you'll do is just to complete the process by authorizing the ACH payment. And that's it. That's how you set up ACH payments and the Bank of America.